beautiful people, let's make chicken pepper sauce. So in my cooking pan, I've added my cooking oil and I'm going to allow this oil to heat up before adding my onions. So I'm adding my onions now and I'm going to fry this and allow this to fry for a few seconds before adding other ingredients. Please, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, you're welcome. My name is Ise Michael, and in this channel we cook, we bake, and we do a little of lifestyle. Thanks for stopping by. Please like, share, and subscribe to my video. To my returning subscribers, I love all of you. Thanks for always stopping by. So I'm going to allow this oil to continue frying. And I'm going to add my pepper mix. This is ginger, this is pepper, onions, and tatashe. I'm going to mix this and allow it to incorporate and mix very well. Please do well to subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Continue stirring and allow this to heat up very well. Stir till it's fully incorporated. At this point, I added salt. And continue stirring. I'm going to be adding my seasoning. I have Maggi cube, curry, ginger. Add any seasoning of your choice and continue stirring. And you are going to taste for salt. Right. Make sure you stir till the seasoning is well combined and taste for salt and Maggi. Of the chicken stock to loosen up the sauce. Continue stirring so it can mix very well. And now our sauce is ready to be mixed with the chicken. This is my chicken. It has been cooked and seasoned very well, and I'm going to pour the sauce inside. This is our pepper chicken. I'm going to let it stay a few seconds on this fire. I'm going to add a little more sauce. I'm going to cover it and let it stay for a few seconds. For a few seconds, and I'm going to add this a little onions and cabbage and stir again. This is the sauce. You can see it, and our sauce is done. This is the outcome of our pepper sauce. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.